G'day ladies and gents, this is Nathan here at AllBrand Caravan Services. Today I'm doing a full tandem axle service on this new age Manta Ray caravan. But what I've brought you here to talk about this afternoon is reverse cameras. Now, if that's something that you guys don't have on your van, which is a fitted accessory, it does help a lot in the big grand scheme of things, especially if you have a tandem axle caravan and you don't have the extendable side mirrors on the car. It can help you a lot insofar as not bumping into anything behind you, especially other people staying at the campsite. Nothing worse than waking up to a loud bang and you walk out and someone else's caravan is inside yours. So ladies and gents, if a reverse camera is something you would like put onto your caravan, motorhome, or even onto your car, you can give us a call here at AllBrand or at Sandgate Auto Electrics, and we can hopefully get it sorted for you. Thank you guys.